This is going to make a rather nice one because of the pattern. You slit a seam about that much up the side seams. The scissors are too blunt. First of all, I have to invest.
That's after we've sold a lot of bags and we'll be able to buy some new scissors.
This is trial and error.
So we're trimming about 1.5 inches while peeing ourselves.
She forgot that.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Tomorrow's video will be self-made home pads.
Oh dear, how do you... It was Carl laughing at me. Now, actually...
No, we're going to trim a little bit more. So 1.5 inches was not enough. We were just showing you how we do it incorrectly. Now we're going to show you the correct way.
Right, now, if this is...
You could have cut it up there.
It's putting me off. I can't concentrate. Now,
The tricky bag shirt.
You can wear it to see this.
oh, this is right.
What you do with it? Cut it off.
Now, they don't have to be even, just so long as they're...
Glad.
So we're doing 2 inches of frills at the bottom of the shirt. This video will not make it to YouTube the way we're going.
You can't continue tomorrow.
All of our profits are going down the drain.
Now, okay, right now. No, it's these scissors. I definitely need a new pair.
Bev is a seamstress and has been sewing all her life and has the best of the best scissors in the world.
Oh dear.
You don't want tablecloth?
Yes,
I haven't cut the tablecloth.
so for Christmas we need to buy some scissors, a new tablecloth and a happy birthday sheet because we've trimmed them all in the one bag experiment.
And a ruler.
I think a ruler would be essential for a first timer.
But as you can see, Bev has done this thousands of times and is an expert at making this bag. Ready? So we're folding it in half for the camera
And
just so
we're gonna-
people are aware.
Attempt to cut 4 layers.
Ooh.
Oh, see, that worked.
Works better with a bit more.
Force.
So we've cut the sleeves off basically.
Yes, we've basically got ourselves a very nice,
A wife beater.
look, very nice. That's normal in this house. And then you start by taking, whoops, that one's got to be cut again.
So this bag only takes 30 seconds
You
to
do
make.
it. You can do it at the checkout.
We're now up to 5 minutes.
Just rip your shirt off at the checkout.
Just make sure they got some good scissors.
That would be a good YouTube thing, wouldn't it? Rip your shirt off. Do you know a comedian that could do that? Honestly, that would have 1 million hits.
Oh, now you got to tie every one.
Huh? If you knew someone who would do that, rip their shirt off, stand there,
Sharp pair of scissors.
and make a bag, and then walk out with their groceries.
while the ice cream is melting.
And
As we've stood there
my
for
nose
5
is
minutes.
dripping. Oh,
Actually,
excuse
6
me.
minutes making the bag so far. See the progress we've made.
Yeah, that's finished.
Not quite. Things would fall out. Now you take a back piece and a front piece and make a tiny little knot. Just like that.
And
There you go.
Beautiful, we're done.
Now be very careful putting small objects because
the thing will fall.
they'll fall out.
This is the milk and bread bag.
As you can see, this process takes a little bit of time.
We don't pay by hour.
You know, you can just put a knot in the bottom.
Oh no, it has to be fancy. Now, this, you know, you can have, no, seriously, you can have longer loops. The higher up you cut it, the smaller your bag. Less groceries. Now,
Just-
concentrate.
Just
Now.
for the new pair of scissors and a ruler.
So you see,
Don't go and rush out peak hour.
honest to God, you could do this at the checkout.
You can whip
It
it
is
up in
so
30
you-
seconds.
it's
When you
so
were on the
simple.
bus stop.
You'd have to do it in the 10
do
items
that
or
at
less
Walmart.
express lane.
Excuse me.
Oh God, you farted.
Oh, we're going to get millions of hits. And it's uploading as we speak, so be careful. What was your name? Where do you live?
I cannot concentrate.
You can tell.
Now look, there you are. This is the process.
There we go. There is our
It's not
bag.
quite finished, but
There's no time lapse.
no time lapse. Wake up, Australia.
Take them that long, you're falling asleep.
Now my granddaughter Monique can make these very fast. I should take her to the supermarket with me. Now if I had these little strips a little longer, it would be a lot quicker. But also if I had a pair of glasses.
Our Friday night.
Well, we're trying to outsmart the supermarkets at their own game. Aren't we?
Where'd you buy the
How
shirt
much
from?
did the shirt cost?
It was a off-shop buy.
And how much was that?
Never you mind.
Less than 99 cents for a bag of placement. Oh, fun.
You will see, this is quite a
It's gonna be
lovely
long.
little bag.
Put stuff in it, it'll fall out.
No, it's not designed for small items. It's for those.
I'm not designed to carry
No.
anything.
It's designed to carry.
Milk and bread. The essentials.
You know, fruit.
So now, if you see the lovely pattern, this is a unique shirt. It's only Bev that will have this shopping bag
It's the
out
one
there in Coles.
It's a one-off.
If you do see her, make sure you go up and get a signature for the YouTube video.
You get the Woolies thing and what do you call it?
So there you go. Isn't this a fabulous idea? And a money-saving idea as well. Coming to the tricky bit now, the finish.
Don't use anything with glass, it might break.
Now, a practical demonstration is about to involve filling this beautiful handmade bag. If you don't like the wider straps on the side, you can, if you wish, cut the bag down further, but you will hold less. And it will be so good for all your groceries. Now you must admit, this is a money saving, ready to go shopping bag.
I'll buy them, what do you want?
This will be Charlotte's first YouTube video. We hope that she gets millions of hits. And don't forget to look out for Bev at the shopping centre.
Oh God, near you. Now you must admit, who'd be without a shopping bag?
12 minutes is all it took.
Oh, yes. Ah.
We're going to have
Sign
10
off.
minutes before it destroys itself.
Sign off